I just want to show you this tiny little Noisey Minor. It's a little juvenile. Unfortunately, I was just taking the dog. He's just down there for a walk. And I watched this guy in a car forward drive deliberately swerve to hit the bird. So he got a mouthful of abuse from me as he kept driving. But I'm hoping it's only just stunned and shocked. All right, I've returned back to the location. I've been holding the bird for a while, giving it my energy and body warmth. And given it wasn't moving, it's perked right up. It's got hold of my fingers quite tightly. Just waiting for little Bubby to find the confidence. You can see the little dow feathers mixed with the full adult feathers. Just getting its strength back. Perched on a little branch there. I'm a little bird. Encouraging it to fly, I think. Not sure what's going on. Bit of an attack there. I had to come back because there was a butcher bird. This poor little baby's been run over, recovered, now it's under attack. I don't get nature.